Boy, what are you talking about?
It said you made me smile.
Yeah. Thanks.
that.
Okay. Unit 3 review. These words have already been defined. They are going to be posted on Google Classroom. This question has already been done as well. Number 3 has been done, but I did it wrong. So let me correct it. It says Mrs. Gomez paid $7.80 for a new backyard fence. A new gate cost an additional $2.25. The fencing was a total of 120 feet. What was the unit cost per foot for the fence? What do I have to find? I need you to stay focused.
The unit cost per foot for a fence.
Unit. I need to find X. Unit means for one. One what?
1 foot.
1 foot.
Perfect.
Good. So, how much fencing do I have?
7.
How many?
120 feet.
120 feet. So, I need to make a proportion. Where does the 120 go?
At the
Oh, before I even start that, what are the things that need to go in here? The unit. Feet and?
Units.
What is the other unit? Cost. The dollars. Dollars should go on top, but it doesn't matter. So feet and feet, dollars and dollars. They give me 120 feet. And how much does that cost?
220.
That says the gate.
7.
So what does that mean I don't need? The gate. I don't need this information. They're trying to trick me because they're asking about fencing. No gate. That is the mistake that I made. So now that I know that I have no gate, I'm just worried about the fence. So how much is the fence?
$780.
$7.80. And I want my dollar sign to be on the left because it looks weird on the right. $7.80 and then X dollars over here because I don't know how much it is, but how many feet do I want to put up here? What are my units?
120.
I already put 120. What does a unit mean? Unit. 1. I want to know how much it costs for 1 foot. Now I
And divide.
cross multiply and divide. So 780 times 1 is just 780.
Divided by 120.
What can I do with my zeros?
Cross them out.
Cross them out. 78 divided by 12 is going to be your answer. You don't even need to do that. Multiples of 12 should be easy. Furthermore, don't shout out the answer. Show the work for it. And then write your answer here. And it's going to be in what? Dollars or feet?
Feet.
I have all my feet. It's going to be in dollars. Mystery answer goes here. Okay? So for number 4, Jonas wants to mail a package that weighs 8.5 kilograms. How much does the package weigh in pounds? Here's my conversion factor. What do I need to make? Yes, a proportion. You weren't even here yesterday. What goes in my proportion? The things first. Pounds. Good. Pounds. And kilograms. What is the conversion factor that they give me? 1 kilogram. And the order doesn't matter. I can put it over here. And how many pounds? 2.2. You have to be careful where you place the 8.5 now. It's kilograms, so it goes at the top or bottom? Bottom. Good. And an X. Nice, honey. Now I cross multiply and then divide. Do I need to divide by 1? Nope. I just need to cross multiply. So it's 8.5 times 2 and 2/10. Okay, and then that will be my answer in what? Dollars, miles, hours, kilograms, pounds, pounds. LBs. Kilogram or pounds is abbreviated LB because in Latin a libre is a pound. Y'all ever seen the movie Nacho Libre?
Yes, I'm watching.
Nacho Pound.
I watch Nacho.
Libre also means free in Spanish, but whatever.
For real.
Alright, a rectangular poster is 50 centimeters long and 25 centimeters wide. If 1 centimeter is approximately 4/10 of an inch, which of the following best represents the perimeter? We haven't seen this since elementary school, Miss Starling. Of the poster in inches. Good. Ooh, skirt. Y'all said 2 different things. One is correct. Add what?
Add all sides.
Add all the sides.
It's add.
My teacher said subtract all the time.
Ooh.
You just forgot.
Yeah, I think you forgot because it sounds like some of y'all were in the same class. Yes?
No.
Oh,
My teacher
well.
is stupid. back then.
I was
You sure it was your teacher?
Her name was Mr. Dr.
I don't want to hear no names. Okay, 50 over here and 25 over here. These sides are the same and these sides are the same. So, in order to find perimeter, I must add up all the sides.
150.
So, it's 50 plus 50 plus 25 plus 25 is 150. 150 what?
Wait.
150
inches.
Inches.
Huh?
Centimeters.
Oh, wait, that's area. Centimeters.
Proportion. What goes in it?
150.
No, centimeters
Things first. Centimeters.
and
Centimeters.
inches.
Centimeters and inches.
Inches. What's my conversion factor?
150.
Conversion factor after she gets back.
150.
1 what and point no. What's my conversion factor?
Oh, 1 centimeter.
1 centimeter is
Equals 25.
0.4, not 25. What are you?
0.4 inches.
Hey, are you reading? Are you looking at what I underlined? Don't just shout out numbers. Think before you speak. That's why I need you to pay attention, and I pointed at it. So look at it before you speak.
I see some.
Now, I want to find inches, so that's my X. I don't know how much that is, but I do know that it's 150 centimeters for my perimeter of the rectangle in centimeters, and I'm going to convert by. Good. Do I need to divide?
No.
Nope. So it's just going to be 150 times 0.4. Don't shout it out. Write it down. Let your pencil do the talking. Irma has a recipe for cornbread muffins that uses 2/3 cup of sugar for 1 dozen cornbread muffins. If Irma makes 5 dozen cornbread muffins, about how many grams of sugar will she need? 1 cup is 200 grams. So what am I converting?
Grams and cups.
Grams and cups is what I need. Cups to grams.
What about, wait, is dozen what?
I don't need that.
is 12.
I don't need the muffins. I'm talking about sugar. Okay? So, what do I know about a dozen of the muffins, though? How much sugar do I need?
2/3 of
I need 2/3 cup for 1 dozen. So, how much do I need for 5 dozen?
We don't know.
We don't know.
That's X. But how are you going to multiply 2/3 from 5?
This is a rational number operation. 5 times 2/3. What you mean? How? 5 times 2/3. What are you supposed to do?
5 times 3 plus 2.
No, other way around. 5 times 2 and don't even add anything. 5 times 2 and then who's your denominator?
3.
Over 3. So what's 5 times 2?
10.
Over 3.
10. 3.
Okay, delayed reaction. 10/3 what?
Muffins.
Cups.
And
Cup.
I have cups and dozens right now. Am I done?
No.
This is what I want. So what do I have to do now?
10 divided by 1. Or simplify.
What did I just do?
Oh.
Multiply.
I made a proportion. Am I done?
No, make another
No,
one.
I need to make another one. What goes in it?
Cups and no.
Yes.
Cups and grams.
Cups and grams.
Mm-hmm.
What is my conversion factor?
200.
200 grams and 1 cup.
1 cup.
What do they want me to convert?
2 grams.
10/3
Cups.
cups and X grams. Cross multiply, don't need to divide, but I need to get in the habit of writing that out. So show your work a little bit down here. 10/3 times 200. Whoops, I added too many zeros because I was multiplying. Equals what? What did we just do when we multiplied these fractions?
But take away one of the zeros for both.
No, I don't need to take away a zero. Look, 5 times 2/3 equals 10/3. What stayed the same?
The denominator.
The denominator.
2,000 over 3.
Thank you. 2,000 over 3. You multiply the two numbers on top because technically this is on top of 1. It's invisible. Now I need to divide who and who.
2,003.
2,000 divided by 3 will give me my answer. You need to write it down. Okay, I think I did this question and this one. Let's go on to number 9. You need to check Google Classroom for the rest. Last year at Southeast Middle School, there were 347 7th graders. This year, there are 308. Did it increase or decrease?
Decrease.
Decrease. Furthermore, we're talking about percent proportions now. So what does that mean I'm going to need?
A proportion. A
A
rational.
proportion with what in it?
Percent.
What is that? What is a percent?
45.
Nope.
Over 100.
100. And your 100 is the whole or the original. Okay? So keep that in mind for these proportions here. So, whole/original. What is the percent of change from last year to this year? And is there an increase or decrease? Also, where it says percent of error for number 8, this is percent change.
Oh, no.
I just scooted up to number 8 real quick. Stay caught up. Yep. I'm not on 8. I just wrote a little note up there because you're going to be like, we never learned percent of error. Yes, you did. It was just a different word. So, I have my percent proportion, and then I have 347, 308. What do these numbers mean? And round to the nearest percent, by the way. But before I round, what do I have to do? What? Subtract what?
347 minus 308.
What is 347?
7th graders.
The school. The middle school.
What did we say in your notes about percent change?
The amount
Huh?
The amount of change.
Change. Thank you. And what else goes in that proportion? Here's my note.
The percent of change.
The percent of change is what I'm trying to, the original amount. Thank you. The amount of change, and then I multiply by 100. That's the cross multiplication part. So, what is 347?
39.
No. What is this number? What does this mean?
That's the original.
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 And then what's this one?
Percent change.
No.
Amount.
What's the opposite of original? New.
New people.
And then what answer am I going to get?
The amount of change.
The change.
Miss, can I go to the restroom?
Now it's 39 like I said, so put it in my parenthesis or my proportion. Change. Go. Over original is some percent. 39 over 347 is some percent. Then top in, bottom, out.